It was almost 1 year ago to the day. We were here in D.C. Announcing with leaders like Secretary of Commerce Ross, Governor McMaster, Congressman Norman, Senator Scott, and Senator Graham, our investment of $380 million to create jobs and a new factory in Newberry, South Carolina to manufacture Samsung's home appliance laundry products. We were looking for a home for our home appliance business. We were thrilled to hear about South Carolina's talented workforce and track record of success with international companies. Now, a year later, our consumer-ready washing machines are rolling off the lines every day. We have hired and trained 650 full-time local employees and have plans to hire another 350 by 2020. Samsung has been part of the U.S. for 40 years, with over 20,000 employees in 46 states. We've invested over $30 billion in the U.S. We've built long-term partnerships with our communities. We're excited about our prospects here in the U.S., and our future is quite bright.